Did you know the Philippines is home to over 7,000 islands? That's right, thousands of hidden gems, each with its own unique flavor, waiting for you to explore. If you've ever dreamed of turquoise waters, powdery white sands, and vibrant local culture, this might just be your dream destination. In this video, I'm going to take you on a whirlwind journey through the must-visit islands of the Philippines and share the top attractions that keep travelers coming back for more. So, whether you're planning your first trip or just daydreaming about paradise, stay with me for the next few minutes. But let's be real. Choosing where to go in the Philippines can feel a little overwhelming. With thousands of islands, how do you even start planning? Should you chase the adventure in the north or settle into the laid-back island vibes in the south? I've been there and I know the struggle. That's why I've narrowed it all down to the islands and experiences you absolutely can't miss. Let's start with Palawan. Often called the last frontier, Palawan is famous for its jaw-dropping limestone cliffs in El Nido, the mysterious underground river in Puerto Princesa, and crystal-clear lagoons that look straight out of a postcard. Whether you're snorkeling, kayaking, or just soaking in the views, Palawan is pure magic. Next up, Boracay. This island is legendary for White Beach, a 4-kilometer stretch of powdery white sand and some of the most vibrant sunsets you'll ever see. The nightlife here is electric, but if you're more into relaxation, there are plenty of quiet spots to unwind. Try paddleboarding at sunrise or sampling fresh seafood at a local eatery. Don't skip Cebu, especially if you love adventure. Swim with gentle whale sharks in Oslob, chase waterfalls in Kawasan, or explore the rich history of Cebu City. Cebu is a melting pot, mixing Spanish history, lush mountains, and thriving coral reefs. Now, here's where I spill the real travel secrets. If you want to escape the crowds, check out Siargao, famous for its surf breaks and laid-back vibes, or hop over to Bohol for its chocolate hills and those adorable tarsiers. The best part? Each island has its own rhythm, traditions, and flavors. Don't be afraid to try the local street food, chat with friendly locals, and take the road less traveled. So let's recap. Palawan for epic nature, Boracay for beach paradise, Cebu for adventure, and don't forget those hidden gems like Siargao and Bohol. The Philippines is more than just a destination. It's an experience that will stay with you long after you leave. Now, I want to hear from you. Which island is at the top of your bucket list? Drop your favorite travel stories in the comments. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more travel inspiration and tips. Until next time, bye for now, and thanks for watching.